bad weather here today now. Goodness. Oh. This is gonna be fun to get out of. Hi, so woke up to atrocious weather. I'm all kitted out in my running gear, thinking I was gonna run on the way home from dropping Rob to work. Although I'm becoming less convinced that that's a good plan. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do. Although I think we'll go to the park anyway, and I'll hide under a tree and let these guys run around because they're agents, and that's all good. So, I'm not sure this is such a bright idea. And can you see the rain on the water there? Oh gosh. I don't think it's gonna dry up anytime soon. Where are these two? Oh, there's one. Hello! Are too busy, can't stop. Where's the other one? Stewie! Oh, there you are. Hello. Hi. I know. Right, we'll get moving then. Nice weather for ducks though. Oh well, we tried, didn't we? These two are wrapped up in their blankets because they were all shivering. Well, not their blankets, their towels. Poor boys. You were roasting in the car this morning when the heat was on, and now you're all cold. Poor dogs, eh? Hard life. No. You can't come in. You stay in the back. In you go. Come on, go. Get in there. Oh, that's not fair. I want to sit in the front too. Anyway, let's get on with some shopping or something instead. Something that's indoors. I'm hiding in the closet. I'm gonna call the dogs now. Sheldon! Sheldon! Well done. You find me tasty? You're so clever. I thought you'd be too lazy to get off the sofa. Oof, no I'm not. Oof.